Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for Hip Kit Club, and I want to show you a new mixed media layout today. I'm working with the January kits, and I want to use all the rainbow colors today. So I start my page by applying some color. I mix acrylic paint, white paint, with Lindy's powders. So first of all, I'm going for a light pink, and now I want to add some yellow here. So I mixed yellow powder with white paint, and I just apply the color with a makeup sponge, and now I can make or mix up my next color, and it is a shade of blue, and you see I apply it here under the yellow stripe, and then I also want to have a fourth color, which is a light shade of purple. So again, I mix some white acrylic paint with powders, and now I can create my purple stripe here, and that is the basic background of my page. So I also want to cut off some of the white cardstock so that I can place it on a sheet of pattern paper later. Whenever doing mixed media layouts, we have the problem that the paper becomes quite wavy, and if you just adhere it to another background paper later, you can flatten it up a bit. Okay, so I also want to have some sprinkles on the background. So I'm using some some golden sprinkles here, or splashes, and that is the basic background that I'm going to use. So now I have to back my picture with a white layer. I always want to have a white frame behind my pictures so that it is lifted up a bit by the white frame from the background. And now I just dry up the splashes, and then I can start to create the layout in all. So you see I have got different stripes cut from the pattern papers and the cardstock kit, and I arrange them in rainbow color, starting with orange and pink tones, yellow, green and blue, and purple. And the mixture of pattern paper and cardstock, in pastel colors, looks quite nice together, and there won't be a lot of embellishments this time, because the paper stripes are already like embellishments. And I just punched out tiny little hearts here from the paper stripes, and I think that this way we have a nice background. So you see I place the paper stripes from each color on the color blocks, or the color stripes I created with acrylic paint before, and this way I have a rainbow styled page, a cheerful, happy page, which is a nice background for my picture. And I really like combining cardstock from the cardstock kit with the papers, because they are always in perfect harmony. I really like the composition of the kits, and You see that the colors of the flower I'm using here is also just perfect. Here we have the same shades of pink and yellow, and just cut apart one of the other die cuts. It comes in a die cut pack, and yeah, this way I have a nice embellishment here behind my picture. And I also want to use one of the wood veneer stickers, and to add more dimension I'm working with one of the chipboard frames. Sometimes you can use the frames not only as frames, but also, yeah, to have different layers, and they add lots of dimension to your project. So this is a nice way to use them too. Okay, so when I got my kit, I fell in love with this rainbow right away. I love it so much. The colors are so pretty and so cheerful. So I want to use this one here as well. And now I'm flipping through all my embellishments that I got left and see what else I can use. So I'm going for more chipboard stickers, and yeah, first of all I thought I could use this one, but then yeah, just put it away for another project. So the picture shows my daughter riding on her favorite horse called Honey. So I want to have the title Honey here on my page, and I'm using the purple alphabet stickers. Those are pretty cool because yeah, the font is really pretty, and yeah, the purple also is such a nice nice color. So this is my title, and now I have to add here my paper, my picture, and now here is the title, and then I can see what else I want to add. So of course I also want to have some more color splashes, so I'm using golden splatters again, and yeah, so this way we have a messy kind of style. There are some splashes on top of the paper stripes now, and now I'm just adding the date with the roller stamp, and I also want to have a tiny little journaling here talking about my daughter's writing habits, and then I'm almost done. I want to take a look at different variations of a background paper. So maybe I'm going for a cardstock frame, so purple or turquoise, or maybe a yellow one. It's hard to decide, but in the end I decided to go with the wood grain pattern paper in this beautiful pink tone, and yeah, I really like this paper so much. I could use a lot of more sheets of this one, but yeah. So you see I cut out the inner part of the sheet so that I can use up the paper on another project, and now I just adhered the cardstock to the paper, and now there are also some sewing yarn to add some more dimension, and then that's what my page turned out in the end. I added another wood veneer and another sticker, and that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and have fun using your kits. See you around. Bye bye.